Hi, my name is Randall Crippen, and today I'll be going over Azure Backup and some various backup scenarios that you can do within Microsoft Azure. As you can see here, I've already created my virtual machines, a hybrid virtual deployment between my on-premise network and my Azure network. So we'll go ahead in here and create our backup vault under Recovery Services. In this case, we'll give it a name called TD Azure Backup, and we'll select our East US region and click Create Vault. Go ahead and give this a few minutes here and let that create for you. Now that that's created, we'll go ahead and look at our dashboard here, and we can then download the agent for Windows Server. Now we're actually in the Azure portal from within my Azure server, so that we can download the file and the vault credentials directly to the server instead of having to try to upload it. So we'll go ahead and download the agent first, and you'll see we can just save that into our downloads folder. And then we'll also want to download the vault credentials. One thing to note, you don't want to lose this file because Microsoft does not keep your encryption key. So if you want to be able to access your data after you've backed it up to Azure, you'll definitely want to put this in a safe location so that you can find it at a later date. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and double-click on the agent installer, and it'll begin extracting and installing the Azure Backup agent. This is actually really nice because it integrates directly into Windows Server Backup, which is a feature that you can enable within the Add Roles and Features portion of Windows Server. Now that we've finished downloading the files, we can go ahead and finish the installation, add in any custom proxy settings that our company may have, and complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, it's going to ask us to proceed to registration. So now we'll want to go ahead and browse for that file that we downloaded, the vault credentials, and import that into the registration wizard. We'll go ahead and click Next. Now you want to create a 16-character minimum passphrase. You can also generate one and store that as a file to your machine. And now we can browse and create the file or folder that we are going to store that that passcode in. So you'll see here it is now registering the server and setting the encryption key for those secure backups because Azure Backup uses 256-bit encryption. And after we close this, it'll launch the Azure Recovery Services agent that we can set the schedule and any incremental backups that we may want to keep. So we're going to go ahead and schedule a backup here. And this is going to allow us to go through a wizard and set up our backup policies. So first we'll want to add items. In this case, we'll just select a couple files and folders for this demo. We'll use our user folder. So in this case, we'll just do our downloads and our documents and our favorites just for demonstration purposes. And we'll go ahead and click OK, and we'll hit Next. And now you can schedule when you want the backup to occur, and you can do it up to 3 times per day. As you can see, you can set different times throughout the day. Next, we're going to want to go through our retention policy. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're just going to keep it at the default. But as you can see, there's several settings here that we can adjust depending on the needs of the business. We'll automatically back up over the network for this demonstration. We'll click Next. We'll confirm all of our settings, and we'll hit Finish. So it's going to go ahead and create the backup schedule for us. And then just to show you how it works, I will go ahead and back up now so that you can see that process. So you'll see it's confirming what we chose in the beginning there, And now it's going to take a snapshot of those volumes and back those up. So you'll see here we've now completed the data that's transferred over to Azure Backup, and you've successfully backed up the files and folders selected on this particular server. Thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Randall Crippen, Solutions Consultant for Tech Data and Microsoft Azure. Please reach out anytime if you have questions, and we're more than happy to help. Thanks, and have a great day.